Hello guys, welcome to our channel Cyber Kapoor. So guys, today I will tell you how to install Windows 10. So please watch carefully, don't skip any step and follow all the steps. So let's start. So firstly, I am using the pen drive in which I have installed Windows 10. So firstly, enter your pen drive or DVD, then restart your PC. Then press enter. Please wait 2 minutes until the process is continue. So guys, the process is begin. So guys, press enter, next, and then install now. I don't have a product key. And then choose the window you want to install. I want to install Pro. And then click on the next. Then click on the I accept the license terms and click the next, and then click on the custom, and then I am formatting this drive in which I install Windows. So I have format this and then click on the next. So guys, the process begins. Please wait until the process begins. Now the Windows automatically installs the updates. So it will also automatically restart after 40 seconds. Now you do not need to touch anything, it will automatically on. So window is getting ready. So it will again restart your PC. Don't touch anything. So guys, just a moment. So guys, I am choosing India. India. So guys, press S, yes, and then English India, then press next. Skip. So guys, this is my Wi-Fi, so I am connected and entering the password here. Click on the next, yes, then click on the next. You also skip this step. Sit back and relax while we work our magic. Wow. Awesome. Okay, we got this a part of the setup. Just a moment. So, set up your personal use, set up for your organizations. Use, then press the next button. So guys, enter the detail there and then create the pin. Create a pin and then OK. So just a moment and then accept the terms. Then you also skip this. I am speaking this and then remind no thanks. only save files to the PC. So guys, not now. Just a moment. And then yes. So guys, congratulations, you have installed the Windows 10 Pro. So if you like this video, then please like and share your love with us and subscribe my channel Cyber Kapoor. Thank you.